Alright guys, welcome back to another video here on the channel, man. It's been a while, man. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe. We're gonna do a quick cold start. Right now it's like 20 degrees. Inside the garage it's cold, so I'm gonna show you guys more clips later on through the video. Make sure you guys watch the video, subscribe, drop a like, share the video. Let's try to hit 2K subscribers. But yeah, we're gonna power it up and then I'll give you guys more clips and give you guys a cold start in the garage. It's cold. Still starts. I still turn it on like once a week. That's what I'm looking at. This is my miles. This is November what? 18? 88,000 miles, 88.7. Battery looking good. Half tank of gas. Oil pressure. Temperature is really cold. Look at that, 160, like 170 the temperature. Yeah, pretty dope. Yeah. It's 20 degrees outside. Make sure tires are still good. Gotta make sure, bruh. Good. There. Still good. Hard. This one. Lights good, still looking bright as I got them installed like that. Crocs matching it. But yeah, I'm gonna go, I don't know where, I'm gonna just drive by, chill, cruise, and I'm gonna just park somewhere, give you guys some clips in the cold. It's like 20 degrees, and see what it sounds like in the actual like roads and stuff, or like parked outside. But yeah, at least she's on. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it out and I'm gonna show y'all park somewhere and just give you guys a quick walk around and better lighting. All right, let's go. Drop a like, subscribe. There y'all go, boys. We're in a parking garage. This thing is cold, bro. Y'all can see it's cold. It's looking good. It's a homecoming. I don't like being what? Dude, it's really cold. I don't even want to record, but I got to for you. Oh, by the way, this looks like. Oh, they might play. This is what it looks like. I wanted to show you guys. And the bright light with tints. Look at the stock windshield versus no windshield. Look at, yeah, 5% windshield, no windshield. Yeah, dude, it's too cold, man. I'll just show y'all a clip over here, you know. Let me know what y'all think. There's the front. Sheesh. Yeah, burger. It's the basic walk around. You already know what it looks like, man. It's just too cold out here. Like it's spitting water. You already know. You already know. This looks like tints from this angle, 5%. Sheesh, thumbnail right here. Yeah, man. So you already know. Y'all get the idea. It's cold, man. Cold start. Not gonna drive it in the winter, putting it away. That's the last time, like I said. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and yeah, catch up with the next one. Actually, we could give you guys a driving test. Y'all want a driving test? I'll give y'all what y'all want. Y'all want a driving test? Bet, hold up. passenger book. Door off. Bruh, it's not closed right. Hold up, boys. See? It got the new truck sensors, bruh. Sheesh, there you go. I came to the spot where I could show y'all good lighting. Bruh, it's hard recording because this thing kicks power, bruh. Gotta go straight. I don't got my glasses on. Exit. Oh yeah, let me put my glasses on. Which I don't even. Alright. My bad. And so I gotta do wide turns because of the wheels. There's the Denali right there. Make sure. This is the casino. There's a guy. Damn, bro, how many? Oh, someone's backing up. I'll wait for you, bro. Turn off the heater, guys. Look, too much. All right, should be good. It's like a POV night. Probably make this to a separate video. I'll probably make a day one video before it starts snowing. Bro, I thought the bro, what? Oh, the bread. Look, you gotta watch out. Can we go? Yes, we can. Bro, imagine a cop sees me. Oh, nah. Look at that. Yeah, there's literally a cop over there. Hold up, y'all. I don't want to hold up. Never know. I think we're good. By the way, YouTube, I'm not recording and driving. I have a stand grabbing it, not my hands. You see my hands right here. It's a little quiet. Yeah, I gotta clean the windshield too. Forgot about that. But yeah, man, y'all get the idea. Okay, I'm gonna end that off here. Make sure y'all drop a like, subscribe. There's a high school right there. Catch you boys in the next one. Peace and see ya.